Welcome to the kitchen where we make everything but pasta. In this video, I'll be making my mom's famous East African pilau. It's delicious and full of flavor. Made with warm spices, diced onions, softly boiled chicken, and fragrant basmati rice, it is a go-to dish any day of the week. It goes really well with the tomato, onion, and cucumber relish called kachumber. It's packed with freshness, and I even like to add some sliced hot chilies for a bit of zing. To begin, I have cleaned, washed, and diced the chicken into pieces. Before boiling the chicken, my mom would also use a little bit of lemon juice to soak and wash the chicken. Supposedly, remove the chicken smell if there is any. Transfer the chicken into a small pot and add 2 cups of water, along with ginger, garlic, crushed tomatoes, salt, and a few peppercorns. Let it come to a boil on medium heat and cook until the chicken is cooked through about 15 to 20 minutes. Next, we'll take our basmati rice, wash it, and soak it for about 30 minutes. While the rice is soaking, we will take 2 medium onions and finely dice them. We'll also take 1 medium potato and dice them into 1-inch cubes. To prepare the pilau, place a pot on the stove at medium heat. Add the oil and then add the spices. Let it sizzle for a couple of minutes and then add the diced onions and potatoes. You can optionally add a couple of green chilies if desired. Fry the onions until light golden brown and then add the ginger and garlic paste. Then add the crushed tomatoes. Stir it to mix it well. And now add the stirred yogurt. Mix the yogurt in the sauce until well combined. Then add the salt and mix it well. Stir until the oil starts to separate and then add the boiled chicken along with the broth and give it a good stir. Drain the water from the rice and add the rice to the pot. Mix gently so as to not break the rice grains. Add about 1.5 cups of water and let it come to a boil. Once most of the water has evaporated, reduce the heat and cover the pot. I also like to use something between the stove and the pot to prevent direct heat. This will keep the rice from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Put a timer for 18 minutes and let the rice cook completely on the lowest heat setting. After 18 minutes, check the rice for doneness. If the rice is completely cooked, use a fork to fluff it, and it's ready to serve. The pilau is usually served with a relish or kachumber as we call it. To make the kachumber, we'll start by slicing a medium onion very finely. Next, dice the cucumber into small cubes and set aside. Chop a medium tomato into small cubes. You do not need to remove the seeds. I'm going to use a hot chili to give it a bit of zing, so here I'm going to slice it thinly. Combine the tomatoes, onion, cucumber, chilies, and the cilantro. Add some salt to taste and squeeze a fresh lemon into the mix. Now mix well and the kachumber is ready. To serve, plate the pilau and add some kachumber on the side. So here we have our pilau ready. I made a cucumber, tomato, and onion relish to go with the pilau. It goes really, really well. And my kids love it and I like it too. So let's give it a try. We have a little bit of everything. So good. This is really, really, really good. And I hope you get a chance to try it. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.